Hello guys, today I'm going to show you 5 quick and healthy breakfast ideas that are easy to make and at the same time delicious. Let's get started. First we're going to start out with a fruit toast. I'm using almond butter, but you could use peanut butter. Next, I'm gonna top it off with slices of bananas and some strawberries. I also like to top it off with blueberries and pumpkin seeds. And lastly, with a drizzle of honey. The next recipe is a green smoothie. I first add some kale to a blender. Some almond milk. Blend it and then add some diced apples. Frozen bananas. And one date, which is a great sugar replacement. This smoothie is filled with a lot of antioxidants, vitamins, and fiber. The third recipe is an acai bowl. First, I'm going to take a frozen acai packet, which can be found in Trader Joe's. I'm going to cut it in tiny pieces, then add some frozen strawberries and some frozen blueberries. Then I'm going to add some frozen bananas, some almond milk. You can add less almond milk if you want it more frozen. I added too much here, which resulted in a very liquidy acai bowl. For the toppings, I'm going to slice up some strawberries, some slices of bananas, a sprinkle of chia seeds, sliced almonds, granola. I got these at Trader Joe's. They are delicious. Next, I'm gonna add some cocoa nuts or cocoa bits. Lastly, I'm gonna drizzle some honey. You can add any toppings that you like. I like acai bowls because you can get really creative with it and they're really delicious. And again, if you want your base to be more frozen, then add less almond milk. The fourth recipe is going to be an egg, mushroom, and spinach dish. First, I add oil to a pan. I use coconut oil. Then I mix up 3 eggs. Season with salt and pepper. When it's fully cooked, you want to put it in a plate. Next, slice up some mushrooms and cherry tomatoes. Season with salt and pepper, and using the same pan, saute until it's nice and soft for about 3 or 2 minutes. Next, using the same pan, add a handful of spinach and cook until soft. You can add more spinach if you like. Lastly, for the fruity oatmeal, heat up some almond milk. I suggest adding the oats in the pot as well if you like your oats all the way cooked like a normal person. Next, add some cinnamon to your likings. I like to use honey instead of sugar. It's a healthier option. Next, I'm gonna use some peanut butter. This is optional if you don't like peanut butter. I then slice up some strawberries. And half a banana. Some sliced almonds. And finish with a drizzle of honey. And that's it. And there you guys have it. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe if you like any of these recipes. And also comment below what other videos you like to see. Goodbye.